Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Coding. I am Aishwat. So today I am going to explain another C program. So our question is where to print marks of students in the range between 0 to 10 using array. So it means our answer should be in marks will be greater than 0 and less than 10. Less than 10 if the user input out of the range marks like 10 or 11 or 12, it will print out of the range, and please re-enter the marks. So let's start. Oh yeah, sorry, you can also show our question above the our header file. So let's start the question. And and uh, at first we should declare a macro constant variable, that is hash define max 100, and then we should declare our variable inside the main function. So int, we declare array marks max, makes the array size always 100, and then I comma n, and then take input from the user the number of students, and so at first show a message using printf function to the screen on the console. Print f enter the number of students, uh, then take input from the user using scanf function percentile d and percent n, and then we write a for loop, because we all know that array will be accompanied by the loop, and each index will be represented by the counter. This index will be started from 0 to n minus 1. So for loop will be divided into three phases. At first we should initialize the variable, then give a condition, and then increment the variable I plus plus. Here we write its go-to statement, that is label. If you know detailedly about the go-to statement, then comment down at the comment down in the comment box. We make a separate video about it. So normally in this video we use for the coding purpose only. So label statement, and then show a message using printf function slash n, enter the marks for student percentile d and I plus 1. This makes the index starts from 1, and then take input from the user using scanf function percentile d and percent marks I, and then here we give a condition, that is if marks I will be less than 0 or equal or marks I greater than 10, then print if that marks is out of the range, please re-enter the marks. Enter the marks is out of the range, and please enter. Then and close the go to statement, label, and then here we printed all the marks using for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Then if percentage student marks are percentage marks I. So let's run this program. So number of students will be 4. So we give first student marks 2, then second student marks 3, and here we give and same give a out of range marks, that is 23. Let's see, marks is out of the range, and please re-enter the marks, and again we take the marks for the student number 3, that is 9, then student 4 5. So this is our marks, guys. So how it is will working? So let's see. So our number of students will be 4. So 4 memory locations will be allocated in our memory. So for 4 students, and then here enter into the loop. So our I will be 0, I 0 less than 4, condition true, enter into the level, and here we print this message for student 1. So for student 1 we give the marks, that is 2, here is also give 2, and then enter into here. So if so, so here, so the condition is marks I. So I current value, what I current value is 0, so mark 0 position, so the mark 0 position value will be, we give 2. So 2 less than 0 and or 2 greater than 10. So both, both condition, 2 less than 0 condition false, and 2 greater than 10 condition false. So or returns false. So this condition will not checking. Again the loop will be iterate, and no, sorry. So false, this condition will be false. Again the loop will be checked here, that is sorry, will be fine. So there is no, sorry, okay. Then again the loop will be iterate, and I value becomes 1. I value becomes 1, and 1 less than 4 condition true, enter into here, and we give a marks for second student, we give 3. So here checked again that marks I less than 0, so marks I value is currently 1. So 1 less than 0 to 1 position, 1 into 1 position store 3, 3 less than 0 and 3 greater than 0, both conditions are false, did not check here. Again the loop will iterate, and we give our I will be incremented and becomes 2. So 2 less than 4, and we give a out of range marks in here, that is 23, and then checks here, that is marks current I value is 2. So 2 no position will the 2 no position will give 23. So 23 23 less than 0, condition false, and 23 greater than 10, condition true. So here we false and true. So it returns true, and here we printed this message, this marks is out of the range, and please re-enter the marks for student 3. So it comes here, go to level, it's interact your natural flow and send you back to the previous position at the level here, at the start, where the start the level. So here uh, give uh, if again the another marks for student 3, that is that is 9, and again checks here, that is 9, 9 less than 0, 9 greater than 10, both condition are false. Then again the for loop will be iterated and I value becomes 3. 3 less than 4, condition true, enter, give the input, that is 5. Again checks here, so our current marks current I value is 3. So in the position number 3 we give 5, so 5 less than 0 and 5 greater than 10, both condition are false, these statements are not checked. So again the loop will be iterate and I value incremented and I becomes 4. So 4 less than 4, condition will be false, terminate the loop, and here all the uh, all the marks will be printed here. So how the marks will be printed? So check, let's write in this code, and so our current value I value will be 0. So current I will be 0. So 0 less than, or n will be 4. Here we write 4. So 0 less than 4, condition true, and our current marks I is equal to 0. Marks in the index of 0 number position, how what value will be stored? 2. And then again the loop will be iterate and I value becomes 1. So 1 less than 4 and condition true, and enter into the loop body and execute the statement. So our current I becomes 1. So 1 number index, what value will be stored? 3. So 3 value will be printed, and again the loop will be iterated and I value becomes 2. 2 less than 4, and again enter into the for loop body and check here this statement, our so current marks I value is uh, 2. So in the 2 number index, what value will be stored 9. So here printed 9. Then again the for loop will be iterated and I value becomes incremented and becomes 3. And 3 less than 4, condition true, again enter into the for loop body, and here our current I value will be 3, and again 3 number index, what value will be stored? Stored 5. So 5 value will be printed, again the for loop will be printed and for loop will be iterated and I value becomes incremented and becomes 4. So 4 less than 4, condition will be false and loop will be iterated, and finally this 2395 all marks printed on the screen or the console. So thank you guys, and that's it guys, today this is our program, and thank you.